नमस्कार दोस्तों एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल। सो दोस्तों आज हम बात करेंगे अबाउट ग्रेट ड्रीम्स ऑफ ग्रेट ड्रीमर्स एंड हाउ इज इट ऑलवेज ट्रांसेंडेड। सो बेसिकली दोस्तों ग्रेट ड्रीमर्स आर दोज पीपल who know how to dream beyond limits. These people are the people who can usually think out of the box, and they are just not dreamers but they are also doers. So दोस्तों एक quote है which says that if your dreams do not scare you then you are not dreaming big enough. जी हाँ दोस्तों, अगर आपके ड्रीम्स आपको डराते नहीं हैं, अगर आपको बेचैनी नहीं देते, तो इसका मतलब ये है कि आपकी जो ड्रीम्स है वो उतनी बड़ी नहीं है. What I believe is, friends, that you need to dream big. You need to dare. And it's okay if you fail, because if you fail, you are still in the process of learning. But if you do not dream big, how are you going to achieve it? Now, most people, दोस्तों, उनमें वो क्षमता ही नहीं होती है to dream big. Because कहीं ना कहीं दोस्तों, they have the fear of failure in them. And they follow the path that majority of people do. अब दोस्तों आपको एक चीज समझनी पड़ेगी. If you do what everybody else does, you are going to get what everybody else gets. How will you be able to achieve something great if you do not want to dream big? अब जब आप कोशिश करते हैं कि कोई भी बड़ी चीज करे, तो obviously it will take time, because patience is something that is vital for you to be successful. Because patience is something that is vital to become successful. You just need to remember one thing, that never follow the old society rules, because majority of people are busy following them. People usually choose other people's path when they do not have a path of their own, when they do not have the ability to dream big and to create something of their own. And to be honest, it takes nothing to join the crowd, but it takes everything to stand alone, to have that confidence to achieve things. So you should never lose your hope in this process, and you need to dream big. Dosto, there are more than 7.5 billion people across the globe. And the sad story is that they just exist. Most of these people are not happy doing what they are doing, because they hate what they do, because they never tried to carve their own niche, their own path. So dosto, you need to keep in mind that one thing that each one of us is blessed with is having time by your side. Now it depends on you how you want to utilize this time, how you want to dream big, how you want to achieve things. Never take a minute for granted, because we all have equal opportunities to grow. दोस्तों, before I end this video, I would like to ask you all, आपके आस पड़ोस में जितनी चीजें, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइसेस, लैपटॉप, मोबाइल्स, कंप्यूटर्स, लाइट्स, फैन, एसी, जो भी चीजें आपको आस पड़ोस में आपके दिखती हैं, क्या आपको ये रियलाइज होता है कि कहीं ना कहीं, कभी ना कभी वो चीज किसी के ड्रीम में थी? Somebody dreamed about it, and that's why they could achieve it, and you could use it today. So दोस्तों, this is the power of dreaming. Dream big, because even if you fail, you are halfway there. So दोस्तों, ये था हमारा आज का वीडियो on why dreaming big is important. अगर इस वीडियो ने आपको वैल्यू दी, तो do share it with your friends and family. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. God bless you all.